Hello. Here's a lesson on how to make chess pieces, and we'll be also showing you how to make the board. Um, Here we're going to cut the pawn, so you just draw it here as I explained in the previous videos, the diagram. You can draw it on the other side as well to match it on top. Okay. Here we're going to do the pawn. It's just as simple as making the shape of the pieces, drawing them here, and just cutting them with a saw. You can use other tools maybe perhaps, but I've never done that, so I don't know. I use a saw. Okay, so you just cut it along here, make the shape. Now the pawn is a little bit different than the other pieces, because once you shape it, you round it kind of a little bit, kind of thing. But we'll see how we'll do this one. In a game of chess, you need 16 pieces of pawn, 8 pieces on each side. Okay, but I'm only going to show you how to do one of them, and you just duplicate your design of a pawn 16 times. You do it 16 times. Okay, so just to show you, you cut it that way. To continue on the lesson, you need 16 pawns. Okay, so 8 on each side. On the castles, you need 4, 2 on each side. The horses, for those that don't know, you need 2 on each side. That's 4. It's 2 on each side. So is the bishop, you need 4, 2 on each side. Okay. The queen, you need 2, 1 on each side. And the king, you need 2, 1 on each side. Okay. So there's 16 pieces on each side, and 32 pieces wide. Okay, so you put the hand here to help it guide it like this. Okay. Just cut up here. Okay, then we come on this angle here like this. Then it's a good idea that if you've already designed your own piece of chess pieces, and you've got other ones, like we've got another game here of chess pieces, you get one of the pawns here, since we're doing the pawn, and put it here just to give us an example of what it's going to turn out like. This is how it's going to turn out like, in the same or similar way. Depends how we do this one, although all 16 pieces have to be done the same for each game. So if you do a second game, you can do them different on the second game, but for each game they have to be the same. In my opinion, I don't know, it's up to you, but I will do the same for each set. But this set, the second set, so we may do the same or different. We'll see how it turns out. Then we come up this way. Cut that piece off. Okay. We'll go on the other side. Okay. So it's moving a bit. So what we're not going to do is to stop that from moving a little bit. This is why we've got this kind of stuff here happening. Okay. So we can put this here and just tighten it here, so it doesn't move left or right. Okay. Okay, this way one move has got the device, but so it doesn't move that way. Okay. So we come here. Got that little piece here. And it's very much like I explained in the previous video. It's very much like a sculpture. You just cut around the piece, okay, around the shape. We cut this way, and we come here, I just want to see how much time it's taking. Okay, we cut it on the other side. an angle like this. And then we'll just cut it around here, keeping it square if we can. Although if it doesn't go square, if it goes out a little bit, not if it goes too much, if it goes out a little bit, you can fix it with the raster or the sandpaper, or maybe both, depends on what you use it. Okay. Okay, we come up this way. And all these that I'm making in this version of the chest pieces and the board is all handmade. As you can see, I'm fanatic about making handmade. I love making handmade things, but I like making things like machinery. So there's another version of chest that I'll do with the lathe, the pieces, and with machinery. So in one of the shows, I'm not sure when I will shoot that one. It could be short, medium, or long term, a long time that is. But sooner or later I will shoot one how to use the machinery, like the lathe, and other type of machinery. And you've got a preference in how you want to do it with the machine, or if you want to do it with by hand. Of course, they're different with the machine than what they are by hand. Okay. Come up here. Cut that piece off. Okay. Come here. A bit of wood carving here today in this show. Okay, we're kind of like combining sculpture. Okay, so just cut in here, and you kind of like sculpture the wood piece into a chest piece, as you can see here. Okay, so now we look at this. Okay. We might make this differently. Yeah, we'll make this differently than this. Okay, so I'm not sure if this one would work because I haven't done it this way before. So we're just going to try it and see the camera. Okay, it's a totally different design. I'm changing it totally than this one. Okay, normally I will round it, but we're just going to come in here and get two pieces out of this. We'll cut straight in the center, like the bishop. It's squeaking like that because the bloody sword is blunt. I need to sharpen it, although my eyes are not so good these days. I can't see the small things here, and I can't actually sharpen it these days. I used to be able to do it, but because I can't see small detail. I can see clearly big things, but small detail I can't see that good these days. So I have to take it to someone to sharpen it, or buy just another one, or whatever. So here, it's all about the roaster. Okay. You come here and just fix it up here. Just a little bit because we're going to do it a lot later on when we get down to that. Before we paint it. But it pays really to do it right now because, well, we might just do it right now. Because it's on a stand and it's not cut. Okay. You come here and simply just cut this here. Ourselves two pieces of pawns. We round that off a little bit later on, perhaps. We'll see how we go. And there's a difference between the pawns and the bishop. They look identical, but yes, you can see the different insides. Okay, for this set, and these will be rounded off a little bit. These ones, and they'll look different. And this, they are. Okay, so that's the lesson on the bishop. Okay. I hope the volume has turned out, because the previous video on the king didn't turn out, and I apologise for that. But I will shoot another one. I did post it because you can learn a lot of things just by viewing. So you can learn by viewing on that and go ahead on the lessons. Because the next video on it has not been shot. It has to be shot again, so then the volume will be there. I prefer the volume there, but you can still learn with just by watching. Thank you for listening. God be with you all, and take care.